Hello students, so today we are going to start with a word and I hope you are enjoying the sports day. Sports week is going on. Let us start with the chapter number 5, that is advanced formatting in the Microsoft Word. Now formatting means doing the changes, okay. So for example, here this is my Word document, okay. These are the question answers I prepared for the class and any other class. So let us do the formatting here. So first is alignment. What is alignment means where to display the text, okay. So the text is aligned with regard to the right or to the left margins. Now if you see the ruler, it is here and here. If the ruler is not coming, then what you can do, you can go to the sorry you can go to the page layout and here you will see page border, spacing, alignment, reference, no reference, no view. Yeah, in the view ruler is for example it is not here. So for example ruler is not coming here, so what you have to do, go to the view and here you have to click on the ruler. Fine, you can see the ruler is coming right now. Go to the home. Now here I am going to set my own alignment, okay. Predefined alignments are here. I will explain you later. First let us do the how to put the margins by yourself, okay. So first of all you have to select the whole text or whole paragraph. Fine. So for example I want to select only first a question. Fine. So shift and arrow key, I'm using down arrow key. Fine. Now if you put your cursor here, you will see double-sided arrow is coming and what's written over there, left margin. Now left click and with the help of the mouse you can move it. You will see the text is moving according to that. Is it? If you want to push it towards the right, it will go to the right direction. If you keep it like this, it will come here. This is called indentation. So I'm not going to uh, use it right now. I just want to keep it here. Fine. Okay, so this is my left margin, this is right margin. If you see arrow, right margin is written over there. So from here also you can set the margin. It is in the page setup and margins are coming top, left, right, okay. So you can put the value and you can see the preview here. Fine. So this is one of the method also. And for example here you can see right alignment. From the right side you want to adjust, and for the top and bottom you can see this ruler, you can just drag it down if you want to increase the top margin. So and like that you can do it for the downside also. Now the easiest method you can see here in the paragraph group in the home tab, you can see this is called my left aligned, okay. So first select the paragraph again. Fine. Then go to the left alignment. It is already left aligned. It is right alignment. It is called center aligned. And this is called my justified. We use this one. Okay. So otherwise you can do from the ruler also. If you don't want rulers, what you have to do, go to the view, click on the ruler, ruler will not come. So it's your wish. If you want, you can keep it. Otherwise, no need for that. So this is my alignments. And next topic is line and paragraph spacing. It means whenever I press enter, can you see one space is creating, one line is creating. So if I want to reduce this gap, fine. So what can I do? Just shift it and go to the home, select it, then go, and here in the paragraph group you will see line and spacing. Okay, just click here, you will see all these options. So it is 1.15, I want to make it 1.0, space is less, or if you want you can remove the space after the paragraphs. Okay, so it will come like this. If now also if you want to remove, you can just go here, and line space option is also there here. If you put spacing, here option is 0, double, actually single is by default it is single. So if you want to make it 1.5 lines, you want to make it double, exactly triple, so whatever you want you can do it. For example, I want at least, it is saying 12 points, I want to reduce it, I want to make it 5 points. Okay, then click on okay. Changes is there because we kept it for the options. Once again, don't add space between the paragraphs of the same type. Okay, so I don't want any space to be there. Now click here. It's 1.0 by default, otherwise you can remove this. Fine. So this is how you can adjust the spacing. Now if I want to give indentation, so what do you mean by indentation? Indentation means the distance of the paragraph from the left margin and the right margin. Okay, what is margin? Margins is this is white space. What is this? White space, okay, which is between the text and the left or right edge. Fine. So this is called margins. So left margin, top margin, right and bottom margins are there. Right now we are talking about the paragraph indentation. So what is indentation? Indentation is the distance of the paragraph from either left side or from the right margins. How to select it? If you see, first you have to select one paragraph. For example, I went down in one paragraph. Yeah, I got this paragraph. I select this paragraph, shift and arrow keys, then I increase the indent. Can you see here? It is increased indent. If you want to decrease indent, it will come like this. So what we are doing with the help of the indentation, we are determining the distance of the paragraph, okay, from the left side or from the right side. For example, I want to increase towards the right side. You can see my paragraph is moving towards the right side, and if I want to make it towards the left, I can select the paragraph, and then we can select the indentation from the paragraph group here. Fine. Now next is called my border and shading. For example, there is something that I want to highlight in my paragraph. For example, I want to highlight Phillips over here. Okay, so what I will do, just select it, and then can you see in the paragraph group? Yeah, shading, you have to select it, then you can give any color. For example, I'm giving green color, and if you want to change the text color, from here in the font group you can change the text color. For example, I want to make it red, and from here I make it yellow, so it will look like this. So this is how you can change the shading. Okay, how you can give shading to the paragraph. How? From this, in the paragraph group you will see the shading. One bucket is there, color bucket, then you can give the background color to your paragraph. And if you want to change the color of the font, that you know that from the font group you can do it from here. Now next is my border. If I want to give border to my uh, paragraph, for example, this is my paragraph. I'm going to select it again, though yeah, and then I want to give border. I want to give the outside border, so I just do it. Can you see the border is outside? Now I want to give some pattern to my border. Okay, so you will see here border and shading. Now from here there are so many different types of the border. You can see if you want a line, you want dotted, you want apple is there. Okay, you can see in some of the there are different patterns. There is shadow is also good. You can try the shadow one. So many different options are there. So if it is yellow, you want to give a greenish green, fine. Let us see how it will look. So it will look something like that. So this is how you can change the paragraph background, border and shading, fine. Now if I want to do the sorting, so for sorting you have to select, and then this is called sorting. For example, it will work. Let us see. For example, here it is list. Okay, we go for the sorting. Click on sorting. Paragraph by, yes, paragraph. Sorting text, yes. Ascending order, yes. Okay. You will see first what is coming, D, D, F, then P, then R, then T. So it is now the paragraph, the points are changed into the according to the sort. It is sorted now, sorry, it is now sorted. And if you see earlier how it was like this. First is for database, then table, then record, field, data type, then primary key. Okay, so now when we click on the sorting, then the all the alphabetically, first database, then data type, database, then F, P, R, T, it is coming like this, fine. So this is how you can do the sorting of the data. One more thing, if I want to, you have seen in your books the first letter of the chapter is capitalized, or it is some different, give it is called drop cap effect. Okay, it makes the first letter of the paragraph to be the big, fine. So how to do it? For that you have to go to the insert, then you can see here drop cap. Okay, just you click here this drop down arrow, you will see how you want your options are here. So I want like this, so you will see it is like this. So if you want to make like that, you can do it. This is called drop cap. So for today you can practice for it. Okay, read the book, read your chapter, and if you have any problem you can ask me, you can message me, or you can call to me. Okay.